Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is David Byrne and I've been in this industry for about 10 years. I've been a teacher, I've worked in management, assistant director of studies, director of studies. At the moment, I am working for EC and I'm their curriculum manager and regional academic director for Europe and South Africa. Our workshop is called Overt Teaching and I'm going to be talking with Mark Heffernan.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark and like David, I've been teaching now for a pretty long time, over 15 years. I'm a teacher, a teaching fellow at Queen Mary University, and part of my job involves writing materials, writing syllabus and curriculum, and also teaching them and examining kind of ways of improving teaching. I'm going to be with David exploring this idea of overt teaching with you, and what we hope to do is kind of unpack what it is, so that when you're working with your students, you're in a better place to have conversations about their learning and their learning objectives. Overt teaching is just the idea that we open the door on the decisions we make about the aims and the objectives for a class, that as a student is doing something, they are able to tell you back why we are doing that activity and how it will help them perhaps fulfill the final task in the class, but also how it will help them outside of our classroom. So David, do you want to talk to us a little bit about why?
Yeah, for us, one of the most important things is this question why, that we as teachers need to know why we are doing what we're doing in class, and we need to let our students know why they are doing what they're doing in class. They need to know, they need to be ready to learn, not just we're doing a reading to work on A, B, or C, so that your students can focus. This why discussion is one of the most important things in overt teaching, and it is a discussion. It is not a monologue. It's not us as teachers just telling them why. It's us involving them in a dialogue about their own learning and putting them at the center of this learning process.
We hope at the end of this session, you'll be in a much better place to be able to have those conversations with your students.